What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the Nottingham carnival in London guys. So if first time you have seen the channel, I'd like to kindly hit the subscribe button and like if you enjoyed this video. So guys, it was a very great scene to build at the Nottingham carnival guys in London. So after the song by Burnaboi last came up, you can see the fans very happy, and they sang along like word for word guys. So I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. And don't forget to show your opinion in the comment section, and also don't forget to like and subscribe guys. Peace.